So Hare Krishna children, we are going to start recording this Kahoot, which is on the occasion of Ram Navami. We'll have around 40 questions. First two questions are no marking. It is just to make you familiarize with how does it work. So I assume you are either on one screen or two screen. One screen means you will see the question here. You still need to go to another window where you will log in www.kahoot.it and enter this pin. And anything of concern, just write in the chat. Can we start? Let's start. Okay, all the best. First question is, name the other famous author in the picture who wrote book about Lord Ramachandra. So you can see in the picture one photo, the author's name is already written. Who is the second author in the picture? For each question, you will have 60 seconds to answer. So in red, I am saying the picture on the right side is actually older Valmiki. Okay, most of you have answered it, and it's who is it? It's Tulsi Das. We go to the next question. So this question is without marks, children. Actually, it's just as a trial question. Let's go to the next one. There are how many verses in Valmiki Ramayana? If I remember correctly, probably this is also not marked. Let's see. There are how many verses in Valmiki Ramayana? At any point of time, if anybody has any doubt, please write in the chat. Option red says there are 18,000 verses. Blue says 24,000 verses in Valmiki Ramayana. Orange says 55,000. And green says 100,000. So वाल्मीकि रामायण में कितने श्लोक हैं? I'm waiting few more answers. If you are not very sure, just you can put any of it. Okay, so most of you have answered it correctly. So these two, okay, this question has the marks. Okay, so we can see Vallabh, Radha, Ashni, Madhvi, Darshika. Other names are also there, but on the screen we will only be able to see first five. The next question is Ramcharitmanas and Ramayan is the one and the same book written by Valmiki Muni. Is it right or wrong? True or false? Ramcharitmanas and Ramayana is the one and same book written by Valmiki Muni. Last 25 seconds. Okay, so I can see that most of you have answered it correctly. Let's go to next question. So there is a very tight and close top five contestants. It doesn't mean that those who are behind cannot come up. It's all about accuracy and speed. We have the next question. It says, name the person with matted locked hair wearing tiger skin cloth in this picture. Who is that fellow? So if you all remember, children, the picture book given to you has the very first picture. We have discussed it in our Saturday Gopal's Garden class. Option red says it is Rishya Shringa. Blue says it is Rompad Muni. Orange says it is Kashyap Muni. And green says it is Vibhandak Muni. Okay, please do not do any annotation on the screen. Very good. Most of you have answered. So he is Rishya Shringa. Okay, we have Keshvi. Good job. We have Ashni and Vallav, brother and sister together. So let's move to the next question. Rishi Shringa Muni performed fill in the blanks to bless King Dashrath with children to heir his throne. So this is a tricky question. If I remember correctly, it has double marks. So please answer it carefully. Rishi Shringa Muni is actually son-in-law for King Dashrath. And he has helped to perform Yagya. So red says Gomed Yagya, blue says Ashwamedh Yagya, orange says Putra Kameshti Yagya, and green says both blue and orange are true. ऋषि श्रृंग मुनि ने कौन सा यज्ञ परफॉर्म किया था? Jiva, just give me a second, beta. I'll share the pin with you. Just give me a second. After this question, I will share. So only one answer is correct. Okay, who knows the story? Who knows the story? Who has answered it correctly? Can you unmute yourself and join? Who has given the green answer? 1892479. 1892479. Jiva, I am writing the pin code in chat. You can check 1892479. Please go to www.kahoot.it. You can start from here as well because we still have 20 plus questions. Just go there. Who has answered correctly? Is it anybody knows the story? Darshika, Radha, Madhvi. Anybody knows the story? So actually, children, if you know, first Rishi Shringa has performed Ashwamedh Yagya requested by King Dashrath. So Shubh Vilas Prabhu, our Purna Pragya Prabhu, Ramayana book which has been written for children, it is mentioned that King Dashrath requested first for from Rishi Shringa Rishi for Ashwamedh Yagya. And when he spoke to him later after Ashwamedh Yagya, Rishi Shringa Muni asked him to perform Putra Kameshti Yagya as well. So both the Yagyas were performed. And that's why I think most of you have answered orange because you kind of thought it is only Putra Kameshti Yagya. But it is both. It is written in the book as well. So we will go to the next question. Okay. So none of you actually the top 5 have answered. Somebody just took a guess. We go to the question number 6. Name the youngest of the 3 queens to King Dashrath as shown in the picture below. So we know there are the 3 main queens are Kaikeyi, Sumitra, Kaushalya. And then option 3, orange says actually Kaushalya's half sister Madhuri as well. So what is the correct answer? This is also a tricky question. Again, Queen Kaikeyi is actually the youngest. Most of the time we think it is Sumitra, but we can just go back and we can read. It's actually Sumitra is the youngest. Sorry, Kaikeyi is the youngest, not Sumitra. At many places in Ramcharitmanas as well as Valmiki Ramayana, it's clearly stated youngest wife of Dashrath. Then next question is all 4 brothers Ram, Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughna were born on the same day. Is it true or false? So I remember this one I have specifically mentioned in our Gopal's Garden class that what is the correct answer for it. तो नियमित साधकों में से जिन्होंने जूम लिंक को ज्वाइन किया है उनके लिए सूचना है कि ये समय मैंने सुबह के सत्र में कहा था हम लोग अपने बच्चों के लिए युवाओं के लिए इस समय रामनवमी की क्विज कर रहे हैं इसी समय पे तो आप लोग म्यूट रहकर जाप कर सकते हैं या आप क्विज में भाग ले सकते हैं सो यस the right answer is they were not born on the same day. Anybody wants to unmute and answer in what sequence they were born? Vallabh, Kashvi? आपको याद है वल्लभ?
First, Ram was born.
Yes.
Then, 2 days later, Bharat was born, and
Okay.
then, Shatrughna and Lakshmana.
So Shatrughna, Lakshman, and Bharat were born on the same day, right? But there was a difference of afternoon and evening, kind of. But on Ram Navami day, only Lord Rama, 12 noon time, he was born. Okay, good try. So most of you have answered it correctly. Our top 5 contestant, I can see, have really answered correctly. Let's go to the next question. Muni, fill in the blanks, performed the naming ceremony for King Dashrath's children. So who performed the naming ceremony? नामकरण संस्कार किन्होंने कराया था? Red says Shatanand Muni, blue says Vishwamitra Muni, um, orange says Ashtavakra, and green Vashishta Muni. Who performed the naming ceremony for King Dashrath's children? Very good. So most of you know the answer. Good job. Let's go to the next question. So as long as you don't answer, you don't question anything back in the chat, I will assume that you understood the question and there is no confusion. We will go to the next question. Why did King Dashrath and queens put all 4 children in one cradle? This is a little tricky question. Please read all the answers. Why did King Dashrath and queen put all 4 children in one cradle? छोटे बच्चे अलग-अलग cradle में नहीं रखे हुए थे पालने में. They were all placed together. Why? What happened? I'm not sure who has written in the chat, but it is good to know that questions are easy because it's by the phone number, so I don't know the name. You can write your name as well so that it is easy for me to recognize. Okay. So the answer says that children cried profusely when in separate cradles. So we had discussed this in the class. हमने class में इसको discuss भी किया था. I'm glad that you all remember it. Very good. Let's go to the next question. Next question is true and false. Muni Vishwamit brought all 4 brothers to his ashram for soldier trainings. So सैनिक वाली शिक्षा देने के लिए मुनि विश्वामित्र चारों भाइयों को लेकर आए थे. ये सत्य है अथवा असत्य है? Is it true or false that all 4 brothers were brought by asked by Vishwamitra? Very good. Even before I can complete, I have the answer. Thank you. So who did come? You can write in the chat. Who did come? Thank you, Ladini. So the correct answer is actually only Ram and Lakshman. Next question, double points. Despite Vishwamitra's repeated orders, Lord Ram did not kill Tadka Rakshasi because she was a lady. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? So I will rename Madhvi's, Ladni's name. So this is false, children. Actually, this is, who thinks it is correct? He actually killed Tadka. Vishwamitra Muni asked him that you cannot hesitate anymore. You have to kill. So he actually killed. So that's why the right answer is wrong, meaning false here. Let's go to the next question. Again, double point. Who attacked at Yajna being performed by Vishwamitra Muni and other rishis? जब विश्वामित्र मुनि लेकर गए थे और उन्होंने यज्ञ करना शुरू किया, जब राम और लक्ष्मण कह रहे थे कि वो रक्षा कर रहे हैं, उस समय पर किन्होंने अटैक किया, किन्होंने आक्रमण किया? खर एंड दूषण, ताड़का एंड त्रिजटा, demigod Indra and fire god Marich and Subahu. So because this is quiz for you all children, that's why we have almost we have pictures for almost each of these questions. You can see that how fierce these demon look like. सो जो नियमित साधक हैं जो जाप करने के लिए जुड़े हैं, आपकी सूचना के लिए मैंने ग्रुप में भी कहा है कि ये बच्चों की क्विज चल रही है और आप लोग अपनी सुविधा के अनुसार या तो इसमें भाग ले सकते हैं या अपना नियमित जप कर सकते हैं. तो आई कैन सी दैट या मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव आंसर्ड करेक्टली. गुड जॉब. वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number, this is actually a little bit related to the Ram Navami, but is still relevant. Question number 13, it says pastimes in this picture shows the appearance of Devi Ganga when Lord Rama's ancestor, King fill in the blanks, pleased Lord Shiva. तो भगवान राम की पूर्वजों की वंशावली में कौन है जिन्होंने माता गंगा को धरती पर अवतार लेने में, अवतरण कराने में सहयोग किया था? Who is that? Is it King Sagar, King Ayushman, King Dilip or King Bhagirath? Very good. So it has been King Bhagirath. Let's go to the next question. We have Madhavi, Darshika, Keshvi, Ashni, Vallabh, and the others. Please keep continuing the answer. In the end, you will come to know wherever you stand. And just to let you all know, it matters least that where do you stand. What we are trying to do here, children, is to just quickly revise all our understanding and remembrance for Lord Rama's pastime. So let's go to the next question. Lord Rama delivered Lady Ahilya, who was cursed by, fill in the blanks, to turn into a stone slab. किसके श्राप से अहिल्या पत्थर बन गई थी? In red we have Durvasha Muni, blue Gautam Rishi, orange Indradev, and green Vishwamitra Muni. Who has cursed Devi Ahilya? So Devi Ahilya is considered to be the one of the most pious lady. There is a shloka in Sanskrit. अहिल्या द्रौपदी तारा कुंती मंदोदरी तथा पंचकन्या स्मरय नित्यम महापातक नाशनम. तो अहिल्या, द्रौपदी, तारा, कुंती, मंदोदरी, ये सभी बहुत पवित्रतम नारियों में आती हैं. And I can see that most of you have answered it correctly. It has been Gautam Rishi himself. Gautam Rishi was, yes, very good, Ladini, Kameshwari Mataji, and all the children who are answering here. So she was cursed. There is a pastime related to this. We are to the next question. Based on the picture and the actual story, it's Rishi, fill in the blanks, who is blessing Lord Rama when he broke the famous Shiva Dhanush. इस चित्र में जो ऋषि दिख रहे हैं, who is that Rishi who actually blessed Lord Rama when he broke the famous Shiva Dhanush? Red में Vashishta, blue says about Parashuram, orange is Vishwamitra, and green is Bharadwaj. Okay, so I have knowingly I have given Parashuram first and then Vishwamitra. How many of you still think that Parashuram actually blessed Lord Rama when he broke the Dhanush? That's not the story, children. Parashuram did not bless, right? He became angry, Vallabh. Yes, you are right. He became angry. So who was actually blessing? It was Vishwamitra who brought him to this Dhanush Yagya. Okay, next question, we have double points. So that's why this was, the previous question was just to trick you all. And I think you all got tricked because we have more than 50% wrong answers. Let's go to the next question. Devi Sita, at 5 years age, when she was 5 years old, had playfully picked up the same Shiva Dhanush in her left hand, which even 500 kings could not. Is it true or false? Devi Sita, at 5 years of age, had playfully picked up same Shiva Dhanush in her left hand, which even 500. Yes, children, this is true. And actually, that's what jab when Janak Maharaj, the father, saw that, oh, Sita can just pick this Dhanush in her left hand to pluck the fruits from the tree. In fact, her ball while playing was stuck. And to bring it down, she actually just went and picked the Dhanush like that. So what happened? Janak Maharaj said, oh, I need to get her married to a boy who at least can pick this Dhanush. तो ये धनुष उन्होंने 5 वर्ष की उम्र में उठाया था माता सीता ने. और जनक महाराज ने कहा कि भाई कम से कम जो इस धनुष को उठा सके, तोड़ सके, वो सीता के साथ विवाह कर सकता है. So that's the story behind this Dhanush Yagya. Okay, we have the 10 more than right answer. So this is good. Let's go to the double point question. Parashuram became very fill in the blanks and ran from which mountain to Mithila when he heard breaking sound of famous Shiva Dhanush? So we have two fill in the blanks. So take your time wisely and answer the correct option. So I think now we know the answer for first fill in the blanks already. Only thing is we need to choose the mountain name very carefully. कौन सा पर्वत है? Which mountain is this? Ha! Who thinks it is Govardhan? So, Ladni, you are answering in Kahoot also, or you are just writing in the chat? I would like you to answer in Kahoot as well, because most of your answers in the chat are correct, right? So I'm expecting that you are writing there as well. By the way, children, it's not Govardhan. Govardhan comes into Krishna Leela, Dwapara. Okay, you accidentally pressed it, no problem. So, children, the correct answer is actually Mahendra Parvat. Sumeru is also not the right answer. Actually, nobody has given Sumeru. But angry is the right answer. But angry and infuriate are synonyms. But the mountain name is actually Mahendra Parvat. तो परशुराम उस समय महेंद्र पर्वत पर तपस्या कर रहे थे. He was doing meditation there. And okay, we have a swap here. So Darshika and Madhavi just switch the places. Let's go to the next double point questions. Quickly try to, and again, this is a tricky question, although it looks very simple, but read it carefully. Devi Sita has 3 other sisters, fill in the blanks and fill in the blanks, who were married to 3 brothers of Lord Rama. Please choose the name carefully, because I know most of you are aware of the names, but read it carefully. Okay, good job, Ladni. माता सीता की 3 और बहनें थी. उनके नाम यहाँ दिए हुए हैं, जिनका विवाह भगवान राम के 3 भाइयों के साथ हुआ था. पर आप लोगों को बहनों के नाम कि do not, who is unmute? Do not speak, children. Do not discuss the answers. Okay. Mandavi, Shruti Kirti, or Urmila. Very good. So those who have written Madhavi, Shruti Kirti, and Urmila, you know this was a trap. Like you just quickly look and you miss one N there, right? So you made Madhavi as the sister. Madhavi is the synonym for Devi Lakshmi and Radharani. Okay, we have the right answer here. Let's go to the next question. So it is Mandavi, Shruti Kirti, and Urmila. Next question is, when Manthara at first told Queen Kaikeyi about crown ceremony of Lord Rama, Kaikeyi, fill in the blanks. Read it carefully. You need to read carefully, children. There are more flavor to the options given here. Yeah, it was tricky, Ladini. So Ladini is quite spontaneous. She can answer in Kahoot. At the same time, she is constantly talking to me in chat so that I can do the entertaining commentary here. It was tricky. Did you answer Madhvi option, Ladini? Blue? So जो नियमित साधक है उनके लिए, क्योंकि आप लोग समूह में आते जा रहे हैं, मैंने ग्रुप में सूचना दी थी कि हम लोग आज का समय बच्चों के साथ रामनवमी की क्विज करने के लिए लगाएंगे समान समय पे। तो आप में से जो सुविधा अनुसार क्विज में भाग लेना चाहते हैं वो क्विज ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, और अन्यथा आप नियमित अपना जाप कर सकते हैं। सो jumped up happily and started dancing. That is true. Devi Kaikeyi did not have any ill intentions eternally, actually. She was helping in the plans of Lord Rama and all the demigods. So the answer is right here, and I can see that more than 50% of you have answered it correctly. Let's go to the next question. So this question is also double points. Knowing Kaikeyi is unhappy with his decision to make Rama next king, what happened? You need to read it. क्योंकि double points का question है, children. Just read it carefully. Knowing Kaikeyi is unhappy with his decision to make Rama next king. So his यहाँ पर, his denotes actually, as you can see from the picture, it's none other than King Dashrath himself. Knowing Kaikeyi is unhappy with his decision to make Rama next king, Dashrath lamented about why he did not announce Bharat as the king. Dashrath immediately announced to ask her any two boons. Both red and blue are correct. Both red and blue are incorrect. So we have some answers in chat actually. तो माता जी प्रभु जी आंसर कर रहे हैं चैट में भी, yes, both are incorrect, children. Both are incorrect. Lord, actually King Dashrath had already given her two boons to ask at any point of time. It was not like he did instantaneously at that point. He had, at that point, he just asked her to request it, and he was not expecting what she actually asked. So let's move to the next question, true or false. Dashrath finally, in his own words, ordered Rama to go in exile for 14 years. क्या महाराज दशरथ ने अपने मुख से भगवान राम को आज्ञा दी थी वन जाने की? यदि हाँ, then write true. यदि no, anybody wants to unmute who has given the right answer here, which is actually the wrong? Darshika? Keshvi? Who has given the right answer? The right answer is actually wrong. दशरथ अपने मुंह से कह भी नहीं पाए थे. Let me see who has got marks in the first 5. Okay, Madhvi, you can unmute yourself.
Dashrath could not speak because he was very sad that he had to send Lord Ram in exile because he had to keep his promise. So Kaikeyi said it and also bought the deer skin for Ram, Lakshman and Sita.
Very good. Actually, that's true. Dashrath was so deeply morose that he couldn't even say in his own words that, oh, Ram, this is how your stepmother has asked you to go in exile. He couldn't say it. In fact, Lord Rama asked Mother Kaikeyi that what happened, what is making my father to appear so helpless. And then Mother Kaikeyi narrated the entire pastime. And when she said that, Ram, with a smile on his face, said, that's it? That's all he wants? And he immediately accepted. He even didn't stay there. He just said, is this what is making him unhappy? Do not worry about it. Or King Dashrath couldn't even ask for it. So, Bhagwan Ram ko Lord Rama was not asked by Dashrath directly. It was Mother Kaikeyi who conveyed about what she asked. So let's go to the next question. Before dying, whom did King Dashrath narrate the story of Shravan Kumar and his parents? Is it Sumantra? Is it Kaikeyi? Is it Sumitra? Or is it Kaushalya? So we all know this story of Shravan Kumar. How accidentally Shravan Kumar was killed by King Dashrath even before the 4 sons were born. And you all will be surprised. If you know the story, then you are not surprised. But if you don't know, you will be surprised to know the answer. If I remember correctly, in our second class for Ramnavami stories, we have discussed this pastime. Yeah, it is Mother Kaushalya. And there is a very happy part to this story. The happy part is when Dashrath got this curse from Shravan Kumar's parent, at that time he had no son. So in a way, this was an indication that there will be children in future. So we have Radha coming back. Okay, we will wait for Ashni to come back in top 5. We have other placeholders as it is. Let's go to the next question. Question number 23, double points. It says, King Dashrath died. You have to read answers. Take your time to read. I don't want to confuse anyone. Take your time to read and then answer the correct option. Last 10 seconds, children. King Dashrath died. What went wrong here? We only have handful of right answers, only 2 answers. Actually, King Dashrath did not die as soon as Ram, Lakshman, Sita left the palace. He was not alive when Bharat came back. He has died before that. So blue is not correct. Red is not correct. Orange says that when Sumantra came back after leaving Ram, Lakshman, Sita, other side of river. This is not correct because Sumantra did not return when Ram, Lakshman, Sita had crossed the river. They were on the same side, in fact. After Sumantra returned back, King Dashrath asked, where did you leave Ram, Lakshman and Sita? By that time, Bharat and Shatrugna were not there yet. So that's why green is the right answer. But it was tricky, children. So if you didn't answer, I think Keshvi answered it correctly. I could see from the top 5, I can see she answered it. So good try. But those who do not know, we need to read the book more carefully. Okay. Next question for double points. The first personality who welcomed Lord Ram, Lakshman, Sita in the forest, who was it? It's a tricky question. So read the answer carefully. You know the answer already, but you need to see all the options carefully. Who was the first personality when Ram, Lakshman, Sita started their forest journey? Anything unclear, children, just write me in the chat. So बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद उन प्रभु जी माता जी का जो नियमित जो निरंतर चैट में उत्तर दे रहे हैं. मैं सबके उत्तर तो नहीं देख पा रही हूँ, पर आप लोग खुद से मिला ले रहे होंगे, ऐसा मेरा अनुमान है. Great, 2 of you, thank you. Whoever have answered red and blue are correct. Actually, Guh and Nishad Raj is the same person. Nishad Raj is actually the title. जो पदवी दी जाती है वो है निषाद राज. और उन व्यक्ति, ये रेड और ब्लू दोनों सेम आंसर है. इट्स द सेम आंसर, चिल्ड्रन. So yeah, let's go to the next question. So we have Darshika as the right option, right, Darshika? Good. Agla jo bhi second hai, I will not know about that from, at least from my list. Let's go to the next question, question number 25. It's a simple question. Who advised Lord Rama to proceed to Chitrakoot when he asked place to stay? Lord Rama has actually asked a specific question to a specific rishi during his 13 years. Then last 1 year was entirely for preparation and finding Mother Sita and all that. But he has asked a specific question to one rishi. He has asked where to stay. One rishi he has asked where to go, direction he has asked for. One rishi he has asked for basic etiquettes, Vaishnava, Sadachar, the duties of a king. So here we are saying, who advised Lord Rama to proceed to Chitrakoot? Wow, very good. So it is Bharadwaj Muni. All 5 have correct answer. Very good. Next question. Devi Sita asked Lord Rama to bring golden deer, who actually was none other than fill in the blanks himself. It's a simple question. It's a simple question. I hope most of you know answer for it. Very good. Very good. So nobody, oh, one of you have written Ravana. I was going to say nobody wrote the Ravana. Yes, it is Marich. It is Marich, children. He was left, he was spared by Lord Rama when he arrived at the yajna being performed by Vishwamitra. But later, he wasn't. So Ravana actually tried to threaten him that if you don't participate in my plan, you will anyway be killed. So Marich thought actually it's better to be killed by Lord Rama than Ravana. So he disguised himself as a golden deer. Let's go to the next question. Ravana's sister was Surpanakha. Shurpanakha, which means, okay, personally, who answers the correct, choose the correct option for this, can personally claim a gift from me later in the class, in Gopal's garden class. I'm really trying to test just the meaning of this word here. Shurpanakha. It has to be honest answer by you and not by your parents. Those who are going to answer it, just write in the chat or personally later to me. And coming Saturday, you will have a personal gift from my side for this question, because it doesn't have anything to do with the Ramayana story. It all has to be, it's supposed to be the Hindi word. What does Shurp Nakha means? How many of you written? 6. Okay, just quickly chat me. Who are you?
Shurpanakha means sharp nails.
Okay, so now I know that Vallabh has answered it correctly. Who else? Honest answer by you, if you have answered it, because I can see there are 6 correct answers. Vaishnavi Radhe, did you answer it by yourself?
Yeah, I'm Ashni.
Yes.
Ashni has answered it correctly. Vaishnavi Radha has answered. Who else? Okay, Radhe, I'm noting down your name, beta. Who else? There are 6 right answers. Just message me later. Okay, we can see on the scoreboard also. Madhvi, did you answer this right? Ladini has answered. Okay, very good. So Ladini, Vaishnavi, Radhe, Ashni. I see there are 6 right answers. So you can just let me know later. Let's move to the next question. because we still have 12 more questions. Jatayu was related to Lord Rama as. So read it carefully. It's a double point question. Jatayu was related to Lord Rama as. Read the answers carefully. Very good. So actually, Jatayu and King Dashrath were close friends, and Jatayu was a great devotee of the Lord. But Jatayu was not Lord Rama's maternal uncle. So, yes, so I can see 4 of you have answered it correctly. So only one is not correct. Only red is not correct. It's also orange. Of course, Jatayu was a great devotee of the Lord. So Radha, Darshika, Madhvi, then Ashni, Keshvi. Okay, we still have 11 questions to go. So 12 questions to go actually. So keep answering, try to have it accurate. Read, look through all 4 options carefully. Lord Ram could not kill Bali. Actually, we can write Vali. It could be Vali in the first attempt while trying to help Sugriva. As you can see from the pic, actually there is a clue. Why Lord Rama couldn't or didn't kill Bali in the first attempt while trying. There is a R missing, children, here. Read it, trying to help Sugriva, because last 10 seconds. उन प्रभु जी और माता जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जो क्विज में भाग ले रहे हैं. एक्चुअली मैंने सिर्फ सुबह के सत्र में कहा था कि हम लोग शाम को बच्चों के लिए क्विज कर रहे हैं इसी लिंक पर, सेम टाइम पर. ओके, वेरी गुड. So children, I'm glad we all can differentiate, right? It's not like Sugriva asked Ram not to interfere, or Vali's wife Tara. How many of you think what is the right answer for green? Option green. If we have to make option green as the right answer, what correction is needed here? Madhvi, Darshika? To make green as the right option, what correction is needed? It was not. Who is speaking?
In the words of the question, or
No, character. Who said this thing that Ram is not going to be partial as Vali has not harmed Rama? Who said this to whom? Actually somebody said this. किसी ने ये कहा था. Yes. No, not Tara. Tara was asking Vali not to go to fight Sugriva, because when Sugriva, after being bitten by Vali, again came to the battlefield, it was Vali's wife Tara who asked Vali that please do not go. Then Vali is the one who is saying here that Ram is not going to harm me because Ram is impartial. So even Ram's enemy knew that Ram is not partial, he is impartial. बाली का कहना था कि भगवान राम का मैंने कुछ भी बुरा नहीं किया है और राम इसलिए मेरे पास नहीं आएंगे. वेरी गुड. लादनी हैज रिटन impartial. It's true, but it was stated by Vali himself to his wife. He said that do not worry, I have not harmed Rama in any way directly. And भगवान क्या है? समदर्शी हैं, impartial हैं. So he is not going to do any harm to me. So if you want to make green to be the correct, the answer is it is Vali himself who said that. Anyway, when we will discuss these stories in detail, children, we will go about it. Let's go to the next question. Question number 30. bird, fill in the blanks, guided Hanuman and other monkeys of his team to march towards Lanka and told that Ravana took Sita there. Which bird guided Hanuman and his team to indicate that it's Ravana who has taken Mother Sita to Lanka? Who is that? Is it Aruna? Is it Sheni? Is it Sampati? Is it Jatayu? Wonderful. So most of us knows actually. It is Sampati. If I would have not given next question related to Sampati, then I'll ask it myself. Okay. I think I have given. Let's see. Yeah. This is what I wanted to ask. Okay. I have composed it in the question. Read it carefully and then answer it. Jatayu and Sampati were brothers, and when Sampati guided Hanuman and his team for Lanka, he got his wings back as boon. Is it true or false? When you're not speaking, children, you can mute yourself. Oh, so we have a bit confusion here. Actually, the right answer is the right answer. I wanted just to um, put this fact in place. We need to know Jatayu or Sampati bhai the. They were brothers. And Sampati has his wings burned actually, and also he was very old aged. So just to let
It's
you
not
all
true.
du- during one of the yuddha it was, and it will grow back when he will actually help. Yeah, Ladni has written it. They flew to the sun, and it was told that when he will help Lord Rama in his cause, Lord Rama's associates in his cause, then he will get his wings back. उनके पंख निकल आएंगे बाहर. तो ये वास्तव में सत्य है ये. जटायु और संपाति भाई थे. So the right answer is it is true. Okay, let's see. So we have Radha and Keshvi switching the place. Let's go to the next question. The first demon who tried to stop Hanuman while flying over the ocean was. We have very wonderful names here: Sursa, Trizita, Lankini, Suhesa. Somewhere or the other, these characters have played important role. But we are talking about who has been the first one when Lord tried to, Hanuman tried to fly over the ocean. Yes, wonderful. So it has been Sursa. So scoreboard moved for all of you. Let's go to question number 33, double point question. Which of the following is true here? So read it carefully and you have to select the right option. So from the picture, we can understand this belongs to Sundarkand. Sundarkand is Sundarkand in Valmiki Ramayana as well as in Ramcharitmanas. Read all 4 options carefully. Take your time. You have 40 seconds remaining. I can tell you, even if you know the story, there is one option which is most tricky. And I'm very sure if you don't read it carefully, you are going to use that as a right answer. Yeah, I told, right? So how many of you have given the orange as the right answer? Please let me know in the chat. Was it ring given by Mother Sita or was it ring received by Mother Sita. मदर सीता ने रिंग दी थी, अंगूठी दी थी, मुद्रिका दी थी या मुद्रिका ली थी? Those who I knew that it will very closely resemble. She received the ring. She did not give the ring. So that's why I told this option is the most tricky here. And that's why it has been placed first before putting green in place. Okay. So I'm glad those who have given the right answer for it, and I could see it's only Ashni probably. She gave the hair clip. उन्होंने चूनामणि दी थी. Ladani is writing in the chat that Mother Sita actually gave chunamani, hair clip, not the mudrika, not the ring. She received the ring. Lord Ram gave ring to Hanuman, and then Hanuman gave it to Mother Sita. Okay, let's go to the next question. The place where Lord Rama prayed to Lord Shiva is famously known as Ranganathan Temple, Ramai Nareshwara Temple, Rameshwaram, Radha Raman Temple. I'm looking for 100% right answers here for this question at least. We still have 3 people answering Ramai Nareshwar because it closely resembled to Rameshwara, is it? I even don't know where the Ramai Nareshwar temple is. I just made it during the quiz just to confuse you all. Okay, but glad that 10 of you could answer it. Good. I think, yeah, good. Okay, let's go to the next question. Double point. So, of course, tricky. Which of the following is incorrect? Read it carefully, children. Yes, माताजी ने उत्तर दिया रामेश्वरम पिछले प्रश्न के लिए. सही उत्तर है रामेश्वरम है. Which of the following is incorrect? Ram Setu was built in 5 days. Nal Neel, and this is, since it is a double point question, please be careful. There is a trick here. Nal and Neel both were the sons of the demigod Vishwakarma. Vibhishan came and joined Ram's army when Ram started crossing the ocean. Both blue and orange are incorrect. So you have to choose the right answer. Very good. Very good. So who can answer me why blue is incorrect? Or you just thought that there is a trick, it means that green has to be the right answer? Who can tell me? Please unmute. Why blue is incorrect?
Neela was the son of Vishwakarma and Nala was the son of, I think, Varun Dev.
Agni. So one of them is Vishwakarma and the other one is Agni, fire god. So that's why blue is incorrect. Usually in Ramayana we hear Nal and Neel together, but that doesn't mean that they both belong to Vishwakarma. One of them is Agni, fire god. Thank you, Madhvi. So let's go to the next question. I'm not saying the top 5 name because we have all the names behind who are also equally participating. So we can just keep moving, focusing on what we are learning from here. Let's go to the next question. Last 5 questions here. The great personality in Ramayana who used to sleep for 6 months and wake up just for 1 day to eat is, I think this is the most simple question of the entire quiz today. Yes, it's not Meghnad. Meghnad is the synonym for whom? Anybody? 10 seconds, write in the chat. Meghnad means who? Whose other name is Meghnad? Yes. Thank you, Mataji. It's Indrajit. Let's go to question number 37. Upon awakening and being informed by Ravana about the battle, Kumbhakaran reproached him. Reproached means, children, he actually scolded him for kidnapping Mother Sita. Reproach means like rebuking, scolding, getting angry. So is it true that Kumbhakaran actually reproached Mother Ravana? That's true. He actually said, what's wrong with you? How can you even do that? Why you're not satisfied with what you have? This is how Kumbhakaran said. And then Ravana said, what is this happening? He was sleeping. And who told him the Ram Katha? And then Acharya tells us that it has been Muni Narad who has whose association Kumbhakarn had got actually. And that's why he kind of rebuked Ravana. How can you do that? Why do you need to do that? So we have last three questions for today's quiz. Question number 38. The medicinal herb Sanjeevani Booty was on which mountain? Which mountain had Sanjeevani Booty? Is it Dronagiri mountain? Is it Vindhyachal mountain? Is it Govardhan mountain? Or is it Neelanchal mountain? Later I am going to ask one famous thing for each of these mountain. Accept the correct answer. Very good. So most of you have answered it correctly. Who can tell me why Vindhyachal mountain is famous? Why Govardhan mountain is famous? Okay, Govardhan I know most of you already know. Govardhan is for related to our Lord Krishna's stories and pastimes. How about Neelanchal mountain? Why Neelanchal mountain is famous? Who wants to tell?
The mountain is famous because Lord Jagannath
Okay.
appeared there with Lakshmi
Okay.
Devi.
Okay, very good. How about Vindhyachal mountain?
Um,
Who can answer that? Vindhyachal mountain? Anybody? Where is Radha? Radha?
I don't know, Mataji.
Okay, you don't know, no problem. How about Junior Radha? Vaishnavi Radhe, have you been to Vindhyachal mountain? Okay, Ladini? Vindhyachal mountain. Okay, Radhe, you want to say something, beta? Vindhyachal mountain actually comes in our Bhagavatam story, right? After Yogmaya slipped through the hands of Kansa and she appeared in her 8-handed form, Mother Durga. And she is actually the Yogmaya. And in Canto 10, it is stated in Bhagavatam that Lord Krishna told him that since you helped me to participate in this story and pastimes, actually, you will stay at Vindhyachal mountain and all the material desires. भौतिक जगत में जिसकी जो इच्छा है विंध्याचल देवी जी ने हम कहते हैं that's the goddess, right? She actually has the direct blessings from Lord Krishna. So Vindhyachal mountain is famous for that. Okay, let's go to the next question. Last two questions. Double points for this question is who told Rama that Ravana has stored the nectar of immortality in his belly and it is necessary to dry it to kill him? So if we know that how Ravana was killed, we know the answer for this. Who told? I see a very quick answers here. Nectar of immortality. अमरत्व का जो अमृत है वो रावण की नाभि में छिपा हुआ है. Simple. Ladini is writing simple. Yeah, 100%. Okay, it's not Angad, children. One of you have said Angad. The right answer is it's Vibhishan. Vibhishan ne bola because Lord was just waiting for him to say that. It's not like Lord Rama didn't know it. He was just waiting. Very good. I think all of you have answered except one. So we have the final last question for today's quiz. We are within time. The question is, Lord Rama decided to return with Pushpak Viman to Ayodhya because it was the last day of the 14 years of exile. Bharat has vowed not to be alive one extra day to 14 years without seeing him. Mother Sita and Lakshman wanted to go back by Pushpak Viman, and green says red and blue. Both are correct. Yes, children. So not only blue is correct, actually red is also correct. It was the last day. And Lord Rama was very concerned that Bharat has given me warning that he won't allow one extra day. So it was the fastest way to go. Vibhishan offered. This Viman belonged to actually whom? This Pushpak Viman belonged to whom? Who can tell me? Who?
Kubera.
Kubera, or it was given to Kubera by whom?
Vishwakarma.
Okay. As much I know, it is Brahma, but we will check that later. So who is that saying? Is it Madhvi? Madhvi will check it. You will let me know. Vishwakarma, Ladani is also saying. So maybe Vishwakarma is correct. We can read that again. But thank you, children, for participating. Let's see what is the final outcome. Okay. I have written the name Atlanta because this quiz has been organized at another place also on the actual day of Ram Navami. So I have named it that way. So please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. We have Madhavi, Darshika, Radha, Vallabh, Keshvi. All of you performed wonderful. So children, anybody who wants to know your rank, I can help you to get it. You let me know. Otherwise, what I'll do is in the WhatsApp group, I'll share the separate photo with the ranking. Anybody has any feedback, any remarks? Did you like it? Did you not like it? How's the question level? We have next quiz on Sunday, Singapore time, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., which is India time, भारत समय से वो 12:30 बजे दोपहर में रहेगी रविवार को. तो उसमें क्वेश्चंस डिफरेंट रहेंगे, बट children, it will be the same pastimes but different questions. We can make thousands and thousand questions from Ramayana. I have just tried to make it in interesting way for you. So I want to know actually from our youngest ones, where is Sharani and Shanmukh? Are they still in the quiz? Sharani, you are in the quiz. I can see that. Did you like it?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. How's the difficulty level for you? Is it very difficult or moderate, or you want to know more about the stories? How was it?
It's moderate.
Moderate. Very good. So children, what we will do is we will have those who are interested just reply me in chat back that you want to join the Sunday quiz, and I will share the link accordingly. Thank you very much for today's participation. And any story, any pastime, any fact you feel like you want to discuss more, want to know more about it, we will discuss in the class. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.